Hey, so we have a Delonghi e680 here that it was brought to us because it was having overall issues with not seeming to function. Some specifically geared towards the on and off switch not working. So we plugged it in and it seems to be working okay. So I'm just gonna run it through a couple cycles just so that we can show that we don't seem to have any issues here. So I'll run the on and off switch a couple times. So it's off.
Look at that one.
Turn it on one more
That one a
time.
little different.
Yeah, the other one is
Turn it off. And we'll turn it on one more time. Okay. And once it's ready, I'll pull a shot and then we'll see how it's looking. Let's do a single shot. So, good pour. Crummin looks good. Pressure seems to be decent. So once this is done, I'll let heat build up again, and then I'll run the steam function and the hot water function. So it's flashing, let me know when it's getting ready, and then once it stops flashing, then I'll run the steam function. Alright. You get a pump working in the back, steam seems to be good, temperature is good, so we'll turn that off. Press that again so we can run the hot water function.